The fast lane. The gas tank. What's poppin', everybody? DPR Ian, the man, the myth, the legend, the lore, the mind, the creativity. He can do it all. Very impressive, very impressive. Peanut Butter and Tears official music video. Now, I've been waiting for this. You've been waiting for this. He dropped it. Actually, a lot faster than I expected. Not gonna lie, not gonna lie. What's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE, and right now we're gonna take a looky look into this DPR Ian Peanut Butter and Tears official music video. I'm not ready. You're not ready. Let's all not be ready together. First of all, I love peanut butter. Not so much Tears. The only Tears I know is tearing up that stage, if you know what I'm saying. And that's what I'll be doing at K-pop Super Concert in New York, August 26th. Yo boy is gonna be hosting. Whew, I'll be MCing. A little nervous, but I'm gonna do my best to entertain y'all. I think it's gonna be a good time. They're gonna have artists like IVE, AB6, Gravity, Kwon Eunbi, and Shonu Hyungwon from Monster X. And of course, it's your boy, JRE. I'll be your MC, and I'm excited. I'm a little nervous. Whew, but I think I could do it. Anyways, enough talking about me and what I've been up to. Let's dive into DPR Ian Peanut Butter and Tears, shall we? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Lights.
One to the left.
Ooh.
One to the right.
Okay.
And one in the middle.
Oh. Was that like fairies? Like Zelda? Hey! Like, you know what I'm talking about? Listen! Ooh. Ooh, that door. That door is a little colorful, huh? I'm just gonna let it play. And I guess I'll just... Whoa, 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 what you say?
Immediately, something felt different.
Different.
And a lot more terrifying.
Wait, say what again? Again, DPR visual in, it's like backwards.
Terrifying.
Terrifying. Ooh. Oh. Okay. A little thirst trap. Whoa. Trippy as hell. Oh. Oh, where's this? Hey, hey. Oh, wait. It's like going past to his past when he was a child. I wonder who's in the green suit, actually. What is happening? Ooh. Wait. Was that on purpose? Yo, for real? Like a random green screen, not even edit it? Interesting, interesting. Wait, can I edit it? Can I edit it?
You don't even know my name, do ya?
How would I edit it? Okay, grooving with it. It's almost like madness. Ooh, that shot, these shots. Oh, I mean, it's DPR Ian. My tooth's been wiggling. Oh, that reminds me of Gorillas almost, like the band, if you guys know what I'm talking about. This shot right here is cool too. Playful with the eyes. This, I love this a lot. Ah. Or, oh, grenades and stuff. Lightning. A whale. This is an acid trip. Insanity. Mr. Insanity. Woo! Hey! 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 Oh, that's trippy. That's like on some AI ish, right? I've seen some like... Woo! I love the way he's able to express himself though. Ian? Ooh, that shot right there. Like, this is cool though, but for some reason I fell in love with this. Ah, it feels so, I don't know, I just like the colorway of it, the orange inside the van. It's very, yeah, I don't know how to explain it. I love it. And like this part too, like the darkness and just this shining inside. This is fire right here, like still shining. I wonder if that's actual light or just a post effect just to stay with it. But I might guess this might be an actual light with a filter maybe over it. Oh shit. Oh, he's crying. He has tears now. Maybe past trauma? Oh, that's creepy. Very theatrical too. I like it. Ooh, taking one of the keys. Ooh, and the music. That's a little teaser. It has to be a little teaser. Okay, there's a lot to unpack here. I'm probably not gonna be that guy that's gonna like get you all the answers, but I'll do my best. Hopefully one day, maybe the man himself, Ian, DPR Ian, can maybe we could do another video where you could like break down a music video whenever he's free, of course, because I know you guys like the last one. Okay, so let's see in the beginning.
One to the left,
One to the left,
one to the right,
one to the right.
and one in the middle.
Oh, so there's multiple doors he's opening, but the one in the middle might be Mr. Insanity's door. And it starts as a child going to a dentist's office, which is very scary,
Something
right?
felt different
Immediately something felt different.
and a lot more
Oh, the whole thing, like,
different.
oh, maybe that explains if this is about Mr. Insanity, this explains a lot about the fairies and stuff too. Maybe. Love the font here. It kind of reminds me, I don't know why it reminds me of a Reese's Pieces, but like Tim Burton-y feel. I don't know, it feels like that.
Terrifying.
Oh, he said terrifying, right?
Different
Something felt different.
and a lot
more terrifying.
terrifying.
Yeah. Past trauma. My tooth's been wiggling for you. I feel like Ian can do this shot in his sleep. Good thirst trap. You know, you gotta respect the bod. Look at the bod. Look at the bod. Okay, we got the Dorito chip. Dorito chip bod. That's good. It's good. It's good. Don't worry. Even if you watch this, it's not. Listen, you got. It's fine. It's sexy. It's sexy. Ooh, yeah, the fairies around him. We got butterflies too. What a trippy edit. Is that a dragon? Oh, his eyes too. Yeah. Oh, the little flashes. Oh, the change. Whoa. Oh, is that Mido? No, that is Mido. No. Hold up. Is this it? Oh, there's a hand. Yeah, that's Mido. Oh, the death. Like, look at the skulls. I mean, I thought it was a dragon I saw. Okay. All right, there you go. There's the screenshot, y'all. That's the. Let's use it as a thumbnail. Cause yes, we be thirsty too. Good shit, Ian. Good shit. This is cool. Interesting effects you're using. I like this. I thought this is interesting. It's like inside his mind, almost. This is an interesting move. I definitely have to ask questions about this. Unless someone can explain it in the comments. Or it's like an imaginary friend, no? Like back then. Your insecurities, maybe, or like you overthinking. Oh, I'm no expert, by the way. I'm just like trying to guess. I know I could be wrong, so please correct me in the comments down below. Oh, what do you guys think it? Yeah. What do you guys think this is the meaning? Huh. Different moods. Oh. Well, okay. That's kind of crazy. That's dope. M18 Smoke Red. Ooh, that outfit's fire. Or like with Mr. Insanity, he's like he could do a like not magic, but everything that comes to his mind can come to life. I don't know. That's a hot take though. Don't listen to me about that. I see a lot of like smoke screen grenades. The whale though. Different worlds though, no? Interesting. So many different things are happening in the background or around them too. Let's go bases. It is quite interesting too. Are these the people behind it? That is creepy. What the hell? You see that right behind him under his armpit? My God. What is? Huh? Why does it look like an Overwatch character? Zenyatta? I think. I don't know. Oh, that's a creepy mask. That could have an inner meaning to it too. Like right, why is he right behind? This one's kind of hiding. What is this? Oh, that's just like. Trippy as hell. I'm actually pretty surprised about this. The fairies follow him. It's kind of like My Fairly Odd Parents. No, but he's older now in the same kid outfit, but now with tears because of teeth. But I guess someone's grabbing a key. Might be DJ Khaled because you know he always got keys. Another one. Ooh, I'm excited for that one. I'm excited for that one. Whatever that is. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Peanut Butter and Tears. I don't know. I'm really trying to think. I'm trying to use my noggin. But you know, sometimes it don't work. That's why I leave it up to y'all, or I just ask from the source itself. But yeah, really enjoyed it. I was just like really appreciating how many effects you put in this music video as a whole. For 2 minute and 51, there's a lot happening. Some beautiful shots, some beautiful lighting. I like the lighting a lot. Put it in the comments down below what you guys think about DPR Ian's Peanut Butter and Tears MV. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE. You know, you already know. I'm gonna be ahead in the clouds. If you're gonna be ahead in the clouds, I'll be there. If you do see me there, just say hi. Yeah, let's talk. I'm probably gonna get some sleep because I've been really busy. I know a lot of things are coming back, a lot of things are happening, but your boy getting old. Alright, y'all have a blessed one. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.